Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of Wake&Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can change your username on Yidio's account. Keep watching the video till the end. To change your username on Yidio's account, firstly go ahead and launch open your Google search. On the search box at the top, type in yidio.com and make a search. Log into your account by entering your email address and password associated with your Yidio's account, and the home page of Yidio's account will appear on the screen. Click on your profile icon at the top right corner of the page. From the drop down, click on Account option. On the next page, edit your username and tap on Save Changes. This is how you can change your username on Yidio's account quickly and easily, just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.